Android phones let you do a lot with apps and features, but downloading too many large apps can fill up your storage. When that happens, you may see the insufficient storage available message, and it can appear even when you're not completely out of space, so you'll need to fix it promptly. Part 1. Why insufficient storage available on Android issue occurs. The insufficient storage available message can appear for several reasons, not just because your phone is full. Common causes include app cache taking up too much space, too many apps or media files stored internally, system or Play Store updates needing more room, leftover background or residual data, or fragmented storage that blocks new files from being written. Part 2. Solutions to fix insufficient storage available on Android issue. Try the following methods one by one until your phone's storage space is sufficient again. Solution 1. Clean app cache and data. Step 1. Open settings on your Android device. Step 2. Go to storage or apps and notifications, see all apps. Step 3. Select the app that takes up a lot of storage. Step 4. Tap storage and cache, then select clear cache. If the problem persists, tap clear storage or clear data. Note that this will remove saved app data such as login info. Solution 2. Uninstall needless apps. Uninstalling unnecessary apps can instantly reclaim hundreds of megabytes or even gigabytes of storage. Step 1. Open settings, apps and notifications, see all apps. Step 2. Scroll through the list to identify apps you rarely or never use. Step 3. Tap an app, then choose uninstall. OK. Alternatively, open the Files by Google app and go to the Clean tab. It will automatically suggest apps that haven't been used in a while, so you can remove them quickly. Solution 3. Move apps or files to SD card. If your phone has a microSD card slot, moving apps, photos, and videos from internal storage to the SD card is one of the easiest ways to free up space. Step 1. Insert an SD card into your Android device. Step 2. Open Settings, Storage Apps. Step 3. Tap the app you want to move, then choose Storage Use, change storage SD card. Follow the prompts to move the app. For media files such as photos or videos, Step 1. Open your File Manager app. Step 2. Select the files you want to move. Step 3. Tap Move to SD card. Note: not all apps can be moved to an SD card. System or default apps typically must remain in internal storage. Solution 4. Transfer data to computer. Your phone's storage fills up fast with photos, videos, and large files, so transferring data to a computer is a good way to free space and keep backups. A USB cable can only move basic media, but Coolmuster Android Assistant lets you transfer more, like contacts, messages, and call logs quickly and safely. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your PC. Step 2. Connect your Android device via USB cable or Wi-Fi connection. Step 3. Once connected, choose the data categories you wish to export, for example photos, videos, music. Step 4. Click Export to transfer the selected files to your computer safely.